Avocado juice is the latest trend in juicing. It's delicious and packed with nutrients that will help anyone looking to improve their health or lose weight. In this video, we will discuss 5 amazing benefits of avocado juice so you can see for yourself what it has to offer. 5 benefits of avocado juice. 1. It's full of the good fats and nutrients. Avocado juice contains monounsaturated, polyunsaturated, and omega fatty acids which are important for healthy brain function as well as a reduced risk for heart disease. 2. It can help with weight loss. Avocado juice is a great way to control hunger, which can lead to overeating and an increased risk of obesity. It also provides the perfect balance of carbohydrates and protein so that you feel full longer than with other juices. 3. It has a lot of potassium. Potassium is important for regulating blood pressure, building strong bones and teeth, as well as providing energy, so avocado juice helps with all that. 4. It's rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants are important for maintaining a healthy immune system and fighting off diseases such as cancer. 5. It's the perfect post-workout drink. Avocado juice is a great option for people looking to replenish their electrolytes after a long and intense workout. It contains all of the nutrients needed, including potassium and magnesium, which are important for muscle function. And last but not least, avocado juice is delicious. It tastes like a sip of sunshine with its sweet, creamy taste that you'll never get tired of drinking it every day. These are just some of the amazing benefits avocado juice offers. There's no end to it really. It can even help you lower your cholesterol because avocado juice is high in soluble fiber. Check out the avocado section of your grocery store, or find a place to purchase avocado juice online so you can start experiencing these benefits today.